Welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. You know where you're at. So, give you guys a little progress video. I got the 71 in here. I don't know if you guys seen the video that I first posted. It was a while ago, but I've been working on this thing. So I've been working inside the wood, on the wood, bed, and sanding. And I did patch a few spots, just like experimenting, I guess. I used some wood filler, and then I used some like fiberglass, but I think it's going to look pretty cool. This truck is a white and yellow two-tone, so I can't decide if I want to do the inside of the truck bed, the metal areas, do them white, do them yellow, or maybe do them like in a truck bed liner. I can't decide. I've been tossing this idea around. I can't figure out where to do the two-tone, whether to do the white in the middle of the truck, or do the white on the bottom. So, yep, there was an external fuel door here. Somebody hacked this big hole. This is my next project. I just started, just pulled this in the garage. I've been fighting wasp nests on it and everything. Pulled it in the garage last night, and I started sanding on this just to see what we're working with. And, I think I'm going to get away with just making a piece of metal that goes right here. That little patch and then a small little patch there, and everything else is pretty solid. This panel should work out pretty good. I got everything, every bit of rust on it treated with this navel jelly acid right now. All these little smaller rust spots. And I'm going to hit them with the wire brush acid, repeat. I tried something new on the cab. Whether you like this or you don't like this, it's not my problem. I don't care. This is a work truck. I'm not building a show truck here. So I replaced this floor panel, and instead of actually cutting it out and welding it in like I would normally do, I used panel bond and tech screws. And I'm going to take the tech screws out, and I can fill those little holes with panel bond. But I just left them in there because I don't really give a shit. I also panel bonded this rear cab corner in here. And then I had to fabricate this whole corner here. And I got it all welded up. And then I got one little skim coat of fiberglass reinforcement filler in there. I got the whole inside of the truck. In here there was a little rust where the gas tank goes. So I treated that all with acid. Treated all the surface rust with acid. It does have some type of half-assery repair over here, but the floor pan was actually pretty solid, and the cab mount on that side, so I just put a little fiberglass resin over it and called it good. I'm not gonna mess with that. This side here was really bad, so this is pretty much all just fiberglass in here right now. I welded it all in, and then I put fiberglass seam sealer over it. It needs doors. I can't find doors. I can't find a rust-free cab. This is Wisconsin, so we're just making it go. I started doing some of the jams. So with this, I was going to order paint, but we're going to do something, you know, for YouTube's. It's a work truck, so we're going to do a $47 rattle can paint job. I got all these rattle cans. That's the right color pretty much, so I don't know if, you know, I'm not going to endorse this. I'm not going to say you should do this. But with this truck, this is how we're doing it. So, you know, stay tuned. BMF Speed Shop. Hit subscribe if you want to see the results of a $49 paint job. Thanks for watching.